Hey, Matt here from Beverage Tractor, and today I'm out here with Jeffrey Smoker from Crider's Four Seasons, and we are at McGaheysville Elementary School. We're actually here today to work on a ball field, but in the meantime, wanted to actually show you the new KM500 loader that Ventrac offers. And actually, I'm going to hand it over to Jeffrey to talk a little bit more about it, and also show us how to actually take on and off the loader. So, Jeffrey, you want to show us?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Matt. This is the new KM500 loader from Ventrac. Myself at Crider's and folks at Beverage, we've been getting a lot of requests lately regarding attaching, detaching scenarios. It's laid out in the manual. We wanted to take some time to go over that procedure. So we'll launch into that right now as if we haven't started at all. First thing you're going to want to do is raise the loader arms up, and then we'll unpin our loader bar right here. We'll start by doing that. This switch flips between the front hitch arms and the loader arms. So you have to cycle it each time. And another little tip is oftentimes people forget to cycle it. This latch gets tight against the bar, so we're going to switch it back and raise up. That little movement we got there. All right, we'll unpin our bars here. A little tight with that new powder coat. Okay, we're ready to start our machine again. This next step, we're going to get our feet there on the ground with the main frame, and then we'll level the bucket and make everything at a good level point to where we can easily get out and get into the attachment. You do have to cycle that each time. What I'm playing with right there is trying to find that exact level. That's what it takes. It's a little bit of finesse. Okay, this next step is often missed by a lot of people. There's hydraulic controls and then electric over hydraulic controls. So you need to move the levers back and forth, then turn the key to the on position, press the buttons and do the same thing again, and cycle this lever back and forth. That's important to get all the pressure released of these 7 hydraulic lines. We're going to pull these 7 lines next. Next step is we'll unhitch the latch and back out of it. You really want to be careful here while coming out. There's some tight clearances on this side, and then you'll have your air cleaner over here, things to watch for. And we're going to latch those. And we're going to hook up our hydraulic lines next. I would recommend starting at the bottom and working to the top. Everything kind of feeds pretty well there. And we're ready to pivot the loader back. And latch our pins here. and you're ready to go.